I want to chop my bike, but I don't know where to start. The question is very subjective, unfortunately. I believe that the answer to this is dependent upon your skill level and what tools and basically tools and skills you have at your disposal. So the simplest and easiest modifications to begin with are obviously things that are just going to be bolt on. So you bolt something on, that's super easy. Little to no fabrication if you're just starting out, it's a pretty good idea. Changing your intake and exhaust doesn't require a whole lot of fab work, if any, and it gives you a really good understanding of how your bike functions and what makes it actually run. Like, that's your breathing and exhaust system on your motorcycle. Gives you the ability to open that up, get a better feel for the workings of the bike, and have fun with it. Changing the exhaust and intake, again, is going to be a really good place to start if you want to chop your bike and make it look different, but you just don't know where to start. In addition to that, changing the tank or the bars on a bike makes a drastic change the way a bike looks. If you change your gas tank on a bike or you change the bars, these create pretty extreme visual changes in the lines. So if you step back and look at the bike and you've changed bars and tank, you're going to see a big difference in the way that bike looks and sits just off those two things. It's crazy, but a friend of mine actually told me a few years ago, he's like, yeah, man, just change the tank and bars, and all of a sudden, whoa, it's a new bike. Actually, I think John Moss might have told me that. But that's really simple. So they're usually bolt-on type of things unless you get too big of bars, in which case you need to extend your cables and brake line.